Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Prawiradinata. I am from class 1LB, study program Electrical Engineering. Work procedure in the electrical. Work procedure is a written statement that describes the implementation, work sequence, function, duties, and responsibilities. Benefit of the procedure: 1. Make it easier to determine the steps of activities in the features. 2. Simple implementation. Work chain. Electrical engineering or electrical engineering is one of the fields of engineering skills regarding the application of electricity to meet the needs of society. Function. Electrical engineering is also known as electrical engineering. This department or study program is part of the engineering fields that studies, designs, and applies components and systems that utilize electronic and electromagnetic. Assessment. Electrical graduates can also work in the electrical field. Usually will be placed in the technical section of transmission and substation, distribution and installation. The following is an example of a working procedure using a digital multimeter. 1. Measuring voltage. 1. Plug the test leads into the COM and V terminals. Always plug the black test lead into the terminal that's labeled COM or common. Always plug the red test lead into the terminal labels V for voltage. 2. Move the dial to the voltage setting for AC or DC voltage. 3. Set the voltage range to high voltage than what's expected. 4. Touch the probes to both sides of a load or power source. Place the black probe on the negative wire and the red probe on the positive. And 5. Read the voltage on the multimeter screen. 2. Measuring resistance. 1. Insert the black test lead in COM and the red test lead in the ohm terminal. Attach the black test lead plug to the COM terminal. The red test lead plug goes into the terminal labels with the ohm symbol. 2. Set the dial to a number on the multimeter's resistance curve. 3. Place the probes on the resistor and read the resistance. Look at the digital multimeter display for readings, which tell you the amount of resistance and ohms. Thanks. Do you have any question?